Okay guys, so we're just gonna start removing the bolt right on the pedal with the 13. You should go faster. I mean, like. Okay, so now it's loose. Now we're gonna get into the. We're gonna get the 14 right there with the extension. And let's see if I can get that one right there. That one right there. God. Let me see. It went through. Okay. The first one. Second one. It falls right there, but I'll get it in a minute. This one. Okay, we got another one. And the top one, we need the sway bolt. We need the sway bolt to get that top one. Well, actually, it's I believe it's a 13. Yeah, we need it. It's a 13. It's not a 14. Okay, so don't get me wrong on that. Okay, we got the other one. Now we're going. Okay, guys. So we in the front. So what we gonna do? It's for bolts and the whole thing. It's already loose. Now we just need to go on the front and do the rest of this job.
Careful with it. Just pull it out.
I'm not sure if the other one, the new one, came with the seal, but I'm gonna take it off. So just pull the hose right. I mean, pull the deal right there. Unplug that sensor right here. Where that thing at? I barely can see where the right here. Okay, so just push this up and then pull it. You know, just pull this up and then pull it. Now we're going to unplug the. We're going to remove this one right here and the other one right here on the side, which is down there. Barely can see two. That one right there. You know, there is only two. Okay, so I'm gonna slide the 13 right here. I'm gonna use the sway ball and the 13 to get to it right there. I'm gonna use my impact if I can make it to right here. Okay, we got that one out. Okay, that's one. The other one, it's I'm gonna use a long extensions, you know, that long to get to that one. So I hope I can make it to it. Yeah. Right there. Let me see if you can show how far I went with the. See, I used the long one up to there. You know, right there. It's way down there. So, okay. Oh, Jesus. So I'm gonna hit that one. Okay, it's out. Okay, that's two right now. Now we're just gonna, let me bring this up. Okay guys, I got it out, but I just don't, I thought it was recording, but not really. How do I take it off? So what I did is I moved the brake booster to a side. I pull out my bad, man, for real. I pull up this outside. I remove the battery. I pull up the the brake boot, the master out, slide it out. I unplug the connector right here for the ECM. Yeah, I believe it's the ECM or the fuse box, whatever it calls. This one right here, I loosed it. So I'll slide my master into that bracket right there to make it room. And then what I did, I pull up the brake booster from here and then slide it all the way from here to here this way. Like, you know, it went like that. So slide it like that, and then I got it out from here. Man, I forgot to really pay attention on that, so my bad. But yeah, you have the idea that you don't have to remove the whole plastic right there. You know, if you want to, you can, but I think it's too much work to do. So you just have to do the little trick right there with the master. Pull them on the side, you know, like that. You know, it's hanging in there. It's still hooked. The brake light still hooked to it, so everything is still to it. Just when you put it back, make sure you put the seal, you know, right here on the back. If not, you're gonna have vacuum leak right there. So make sure you put that seal back on when you put the new one into it. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna record the to install the new one, just in case, so you got an idea how to take it off, because I didn't record the part. So I'm gonna do it like I'm gonna slide this in there. Okay, so let's see, this is the part. Oh, it goes like that. So we're just gonna slide this thing in there. Let me see if you can get a zoom out. No, it's no way. So I'm gonna slide in there. Okay, so I'm just gonna slide it in there. So kind of like that. Just play with it. Now go inside. Go inside to make sure that rod, you know, goes in there. This part is slide right on between the pedal, so it should slide all the way back. See if I can slide it. Okay, so I went through all the way. Now we're gonna bring the master down so we can. This is the tricky part right here. You just have to be careful with it. See if I can get the light out. Yeah, right there. Make sure. I'm gonna put the new seal that comes with it. Okay, so the new seal behind, right there. Now we're gonna slide it. Make sure you go through in the road right there. It's that rope right there, so you can slide it back into it. Okay, right there. Twist a little bit. Okay, right there, guys. Right there. Put the nuts back on. Let me put the one that came with. Yeah, but it's in there already. So now you had an idea how the things go. Now we just have to bolt, tie the bolts, and just press this in there, just like that, and go for it. And then put the, connect the sensor back on, right there, and put the battery back on, and then hook the connector in place. Just pressing, I don't know which way you take it off, like that, and yeah, and then put the bolt back inside, the bolts inside of the under the pedal. So that's gonna be it, guys.